Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make another Instagram account. So if you already have an Instagram account, but you want to create another Instagram account without deleting the old account, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make another account on Instagram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. This could be on Android, it could be on iPhone. Once opened, locate and click on the profile button at the bottom right. Then go ahead and click on menu at the top right. Once you selected menu, scroll down. Then you should say add account, click on that. Then log in into existing account. If you already created a new Instagram account, just select log into existing account. Otherwise, click on create a new account. Now go ahead, give your new Instagram account a name. So just go ahead, give this a name. Then click on next. You can see you can always change it later. Now, once you selected next, you'll be prompted to share login in your account center. So if you want to share login in your account center, go ahead and click on continue. Otherwise, click on create password instead. So type in your password for the new Instagram account. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on next. Then you should see your phone number or email address. So go ahead and add your email address or add your phone number. Then click on next. Once you hit the next button, then you should see welcome to Instagram. To complete the sign up, just go ahead and click on complete sign up. Then you're going to see registering. So you need to hang on for a couple of minutes for your Instagram account to be registered. And once the Instagram account is created and added to your account, you will be able to access this Instagram account on the same phone or on any other devices using the same Instagram username and then the password. Then you can allow access to your contact to make it easier to find you on Instagram. So if you want to do this, just click on next. So if you want to allow access to your contact, click allow or don't allow. Then skip as well. So you can now go ahead and add your profile picture or skip. And then you can also skip this as well. Click on next. Again, skip. Then not now. And that is it. So this is your new Instagram profile. You see that? Now if you click on the profile icon at the bottom right, then you'll be taken to the new Instagram profile you just created. So that's exactly how to make another account on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.